Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vermicelli in the microwave. First, grab a microwave-safe bowl and add 1 cup of vermicelli. Then, pour in 1.5 cups of water, making sure the vermicelli is completely submerged. Add a small pinch of salt for flavor. Place the bowl in your microwave and cook on high for about 2 to 3 minutes to begin the process. To achieve perfectly cooked vermicelli, remember a few key tips. Always use a bowl that is at least twice the volume of your ingredients to prevent any messy overflows. Stirring the vermicelli halfway through the cooking process is crucial. It helps distribute heat evenly and stops the strands from clumping together. Also, keep in mind that microwave wattages vary, so you might need to adjust the cooking time slightly to reach your preferred tenderness. Nobody likes sticky vermicelli, so here's how to avoid it. After your vermicelli is cooked to perfection, immediately drain it and rinse it under cold water. This stops the cooking process and removes excess starch, preventing stickiness. You can also add a small amount, about 1 teaspoon, of oil to the water before microwaving. Be careful not to overcook, as vermicelli cooks very quickly in the microwave, often in just 5 to 7 minutes total. Now that you've mastered cooking vermicelli in the microwave, let's talk about serving. This versatile noodle makes an excellent side dish for a variety of meals, from savory curries to vibrant stir-fries. You can also cool it down and toss it into a refreshing salad for a light lunch, or use it as the base for a quick and comforting noodle soup. Don't forget to garnish with some fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley for an extra burst of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.